Vaccines aren't safe because they develop so quickly. You can get COVID-19 if you take vaccine. Vaccine can alter my DNA and make me infertile. Do you also have these kinds of myths running in your head? Vaccines can save millions of lives each year. The development of safe and effective vaccine is a huge step forward in these global efforts to end the pandemic and get back to our normal lives and enjoy with our loved ones. So we, team of NSS from Arra's degree and PG college are up with a video on vaccine awareness program.
Our goal with the community. Immunity anthology is therefore to increase vaccine literacy by demonstrating three critical points of fact. First, the vaccine is safe. Second, no scientific shortcuts were taken in the development of the vaccine. And the third, being vaccinated is an act of community service.
COVID 19 is the most urgent global challenge that we face today. So, if we can encourage at least 80% of the population to get vaccinated, we can achieve the community wide immunity which we need for social activities to get to normal.
Getting vaccinated means protecting yourself from the virus, so you can be there for your family, friends, and patients. If you are worried about the safety of the vaccine, it's important to know that your COVID-19 vaccinations have been approved by the health ministry.
No, the COVID 19 cases are rising and the situation is getting critical day by day. To prevent this, we all need to move forward and take a step, and that step is vaccination.
Vaccine for COVID-19 is voluntary. However, it is advisable to receive the complete schedule of COVID-19 for protecting oneself against this disease and also to limit the spread of this disease to the close contacts including friends, family members, relatives.
Vaccines are available from government and private healthcare facilities as informed, and they are also known as COVID vaccination centers CVCs.
After the completion of online registration process, the beneficiary will receive an SMS on their registered mobile number about the due date, place and time of vaccination.
Two vaccines that have been granted emergency use authorization by the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, that is CDSCO, in India are Covishield, it is AstraZeneca's vaccine manufactured by the Serum Institute of India, and Covaxin manufactured by the Bharat Biotech Limited.
Person with confirmed or suspected COVID-19 infection may increase the chance of spreading the same to others at the COVID vaccination centers. So for this reason, it is better for the infected individual to get vaccination after the 14 days of symptom resolution.
Time interval between the first two doses of Covishield vaccine has been extended from 4 to 6 weeks to 4 to 8 weeks. The second dose of Covaxin can be taken 4 to 6 weeks after the first one.
The photo ID produced at the time of registration must be produced and verified at the time of vaccination.
As the vaccines available are not interchangeable, it is very important to receive the second dose of vaccine same as the first one. Also, the CoWIN portal is going to help ensure that everyone receives the same vaccines.
When an increasing number of people get vaccinated in the community, indirect protection through herd immunity develops.
Part of vaccination does not mean that people should stop following the COVID protocols like wearing a mask and maintaining social distancing. Remember, this disease has kept the families away from each other. The mothers has cried for their children and had to keep them away. The people could not meet their elderly admitted in hospitals. So do get vaccinated, not just because of yourself and the sake of your family, but also to build a better community.
I want to remind people of our country that 2 doses of corona vaccine are very much important. Experts have said that there should be a minimum gap of 1 month between both the vaccinations. What are you waiting for? All of you who are above 18 years of age, please go and register yourself in the COVID portal. Thank you. The coronavirus vaccine will help to protect you and your family and communities from the disease. So get yourself vaccinated as per your turn. The time to take COVID vaccine is now. Slow the spread of COVID. Stay home if you can.
I request everyone to stop following all the myths regarding vaccinations and take vaccination as a decision of our health, and the health of our loved ones is dependent on it. Our decision today is more important than ever before. So when it comes to vaccines, there's no dilemma. Get vaccinated and save lives.
Vaccination is a process where the vaccine improves the immunity system and prevents from the disease. So rather get vaccinated than infected.
With rising cases in India, vaccination is the most effective tool in our battle against COVID-19. Contributing to the vaccination drive is our biggest priority right now, to keep India healthy and safe. Let's fight COVID-19 together and get a shot and get back to normal.